50% return. Payload. You want to go with a heavy payload?
Yes, sure.
Awesome. 100. You're more than welcome to sit and watch.
Watch a little bit. Since I'm here.
Cool. Return doors push back. Cool. We can actually. Did we turn that on? Yeah. Oh, we didn't center our thingy thing. There you are. GPS position. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, wow.
Now we got
Got that
lines. All right. Now we will do.
Is that a holding pattern over there, something like that?
Yeah, it's so I did a little thing to the flight plan to
Okay.
return us to the airport.
Cool.
But I'm gonna skip that completely. I just wanted to go. It wouldn't have picked up the airway if I didn't do that.
Oh, okay.
So once we're in the air, I'm gonna erase it, and then it'll take us to where
Cool.
we need to go. So now, init ref, gross weight. Hello. Oh, request. So this is actually a thing. You request this to the airline, and
Okay.
they tell you everything you need to know about your cruise altitude, your cost index, your your gross weight.
Why is the control not working over here?
Because the hydraulics are off.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so we're going to 30,000 feet. We're going
Okay.
to accept this. All right, thrust limitations. Thrust limitations is what's going to protect your engines from
Okay.
burning. So we're at 15 degrees Celsius. We want to put in either a higher temperature for reference, or we want to derate the performance.
Okay.
We're pretty heavy. It's a simulator, so I'm just going to put full on. Flaps 5 should do it. So that's the center of gravity. Yep, that sounds good. Okay, so
So what's our
V1
153? Okay.
rotate 159.
159. Cool.
V2 170.
Okay.
Alright. So V1 is the decision point. If
Yep.
anything goes wrong before V1, you are at a safe airspeed to stop the aircraft and abort takeoff.
Okay.
Anything after V1, you have to take off. Otherwise, you risk killing everyone on board.
Right.
170. What's our runway heading? 23.
What's IAS?
IAS?
Yep.
Indicated airspeed.
Okay.
233. All right. So let's start our engines, shall we? Where's the APU? Is the APU on? Let's check. Electric. Yeah, APU is on. We can disconnect our ground power. So, goodbye. Actually, I'll just disconnect from here directly. Parking brake on. All right, ready to start the engines? Do you want to do it, or you want me to do it?
Where do you do that? You do that down there, right?
Up here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So
Wow,
it's just
I'll do
a
that.
click, right click, I believe.
Right click.
Was it right? Oh, no, yeah, normal click. Sorry. Just do one at a time.
Okay.
So, here, right now they're both.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
Do that one first. Do number 2.
Oh, it's on already.
Is it?
Oh, I
think
should
it
have
was-
done one first.
There you
yeah.
go. All right.
Okay.
And then we're gonna look down here. Do you hear the engine spooling?
No,
No?
I don't.
Just gonna get into fuel. Really? No engine spool? Do you hear anything right now?
Yes, I can
Okay.
hear it.
Okay, cool.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Big fat airplane. Okay, so we're monitoring this. Engine exhaust gas temperature is going up.
I
That's
can
good.
hear that.
Now you can hear it?
Yep.
Awesome. I'm trying to get you done real quick so
Mhm.
so you can actually land it. Awesome. All right, so you do engine number 1 now. Here it is.
Engine 1. Okay, cool.
Normal, click on this guy.
Okay.
There you go. Now look down. Or go down to the pedestal. And, yeah, right there. And give
This
that
guy?
fuel. The black one.
Black one.
Right here.
Okay.
Yep.